Yeah, it's pretty bad. I gotta wear all my helmet.
What's up, Kenny?
Nah, it's fine. I had long hair before.
Yeah.
Alright, so what we're doing is
We hired a very low-paying welder. Low-charging welder.
Harbor Freight, no?
Everything here's Harbor Freight, bro.
Dude, at fucking Harbor Freight, what was on sale?
A fucking air compressor.
3 air compressors.
Alright, what Gus is gonna do, because it's his welder, he's going to weld the head of that bolt onto that other bolt. Right there.
About there.
Nice.
Only because this bottom one is stripped.
I went to school for this.
I mean, take it out. I mean, we do have a guy that literally went to school for this.
Yeah, I don't know why he's not doing it.
Making fun of my education.
No. I'm making fun of myself. The guy who actually went to school doesn't want to fucking do it.
I just spent all day doing this.
That could probably do it too, but you're a welder, so.
Yeah. That's the only reason why I got into this, bro. Fucking fire. Just get a tap going. Forgot to bring my brush.
I do.
Oh, I have actual gloves. Yeah, I was like, wait a minute.
I do this for a living. Put a weld starting from here, like from this side,
Oh, I see what you're saying.
and just comes straight down. That way we have at least half of it.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, I saw that big ass bubble. I might have welded the fucking
No, you're fine.
Yeah. Alright, that should be good, I think. Down as in towards the floor? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you want to end. You want this to end about here. So you want to go from here, bring it all the way
Okay.
down to there.
Just fill that up.
Yeah.
Alright,
Doesn't matter if you burn this lip off a little.
Because what matters is.
Yeah, as long as you're filling in that little gap.
Okay. Ooh. I might have missed.
Yeah, you're fine.
Yeah, the heat should have like expanded it too.
Yeah.
Where's the?
Oh, the screwdriver?
Wait, isn't it the other way?
No, it's this way.
Oh, it's
So I could get, so I could line it up.
Oh, okay. Okay. Watch it just melt or roll out, burn right out. That. I might have welded it to the fucking.
No.
No, just
Oh,
the
my bad,
screwdriver.
my bad.
Yeah, you good. The
Yeah.
screwdriver's not catching. Yeah, get it through here.
Yeah, no. If you would have welded it, you'd be able to see it.
Yeah. There we go. Beautiful.
Or at least I'd be able to see it.
Yeah. The whole engine's now moving.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
There we go.
Beautiful.
There we go.
Okay, should. Oh no, never mind.
That's still hella tight.
Alright, let me finish off that weld.
If you want, dude.
No, fuck that. No.
Yeah, I built that table.
Yeah.
That's good. They use it at a hospital.
You guys want to try and get that?
With the welder?
With the glove?
Is it hella hot?
I don't know. I mean, you just
Oh,
weld.
I should have been recording.
You just weld. Ah, fuck it. Fuck it. You
So you
just,
put it to your face the whole time?
I mean, you just welded. I don't want to touch it.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep this as a souvenir.
There you go. And he looks at me like I do this sketch, all sketchy and stuff. This is for a living.
Hey man.
That was awesome.
Wow, beautiful. Oh fuck. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so now when the new one comes in.
Is it?
Wow.
Maybe it's something.
Gus, what'd you say? 40 pounds?
Yeah, give or take.
It's like 10 pounds, dude.
No, dude, come on, man.
Yeah.
15 pounds max.
I'm weak right now, bro.
Yeah, it's like 10, 15.
It's like 15 pounds
15.
max, dude. Fucked up that thing is.
Nah, then we can still use it. Just put some welds,
Yeah, it'll-
sharpen it out, get us
Get really good with the grinder, man.
It'll buff out.
You'll buff out. JB Weld, bro. JB Weld. Are we gonna use this anymore?
I don't think so. I think next time we're gonna just take the fucking
We do roll cage.
gear case off.
Sure, we can always hold something up.
Yeah. I see a lot of scrap metal.
Oh, you guys wanna get that fucking pulley off that one?
Yeah, that's right.
With the welder?
With the impact.
Oh, yeah. I don't know.
We can do it with the welders.
I'm saying.
Yeah, you could weld the handle to it. Like you have an old wrench you don't like, you could weld it to it.
I'm recording now.
Oh, now we're recording.
for all the fucking matters.
You
Easily
get
what?
the whole victory scream after we got it.
Well, I was kind of focused on trying to get that fucking pulley off.
Yeah. Dude, how
Okay,
many pounds of force do you think we exerted on that one fucking...
Who knows?
A fuck ton, dude.
Fuck, dude.
How much do you weigh? Both of you.
120.
120? Kilograms.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh, there it is.
Alright, now. So what do we need to take off?
This,
Oh, man.
this, and then just the bolts for the cover. And then obviously this fucking hose.
Alright, well, I'll get my...
So we said this.
You sure these are 12?
Or not.
Joaquin. They're 10s.
It's been a while.
Joaquin.
It's been like 2 weeks, alright?
Okay, bro.
I drink a lot, okay?
Oh, my bad. What the fuck? My bad. And then what's this one?
14, I think. Just a guess.
Oh, okay. What's the biggest size he has? Oh, good guess. Damn, bro. Once we get this off, it's the head.
The
And
pistons.
Clutch is on
it's
its
the
way.
pistons.
Alright. It's almost 11. We're about done.
Beer clock.
Beer o'clock. We're about done. Gus is leaving. Hey. Oh yeah. Yeah. I wonder what it is.
I was following my wheel or something's rubbing
Yeah. We'll figure it out next time.
on the rebuild.
Alright, later. Oh, what the fuck did we do tonight?
We took stuff off.
Pulley
Broke
came
some
off.
Shit. We broke some shit. We welded some shit.
Yeah, we took the flywheels off.
Bunch of OSHA violations.
A bunch?
A bunch. Quite a few. Running a welder without a fire extinguisher.
Did he take his welder with him? Yeah, he did.
Without a fire extinguisher nearby.
Yeah. But yeah, we took the gear case off, gear cover off. What else did we do? I'm fucking forgetting what we did.
We got so lost in talking about Evos that
We got lost
Oh yeah,
in
we got
the
that.
sauce.
That stripped bolt out.
Yeah.
I'm holding him to that, man. That's on the GoPro.
It is now.
Holding it.
Gus,
to it.
you're gonna buy an Evo this year. We're gonna hold you to it.
We're gonna force you. Last week of December. Just fucking buy it already, dude. Just fucking go.
December.
Doesn't matter if it's 20K, dude. Just get it.
But yeah, we got some shit done.
More than one.
What?
Oh wait, the clutch is coming tomorrow.
Oh yeah, there might be a new clutch coming. We could. And then when we get the engine on the
Oh, it's, yeah.
on the hoist and the strap, we get the clutch on.
We won't put it on maybe until we get everything on.
Well, yeah, cause it won't clear in here. I did have a list on my phone with like the shit we needed to do.
And we have
Make the list.
obviously the head needs to come off for that. Those gaskets.
So yeah.
The piston rings.
The new head gasket, the piston rings, and then that's about it.
Yeah, we got.
That's basically the rebuild.
Yeah.
And then new clutch, obviously that's coming.
Oh, you still have a fucking broken bolt in there, huh?
Yep.
Oh.
I have the extra one right there.
We could drill it out,
Yeah.
or get like an actual proper fucking bolt extractor kit.
Do you really want to do proper? Are we really about that here?
No, we're not.
No.
I'm just throwing suggestions out there. Honestly, if we get this done like within the next 2 months of only doing it 2 nights a week, that's fucking success, dude.
I mean, we're only putting in like 4 fucking hours.
Yeah, 4 hours a night.
Maybe less.
Yeah.
Because there's times we're showing up like at 7 and leaving before 10.